The device consists of a Kookaberry microcontroller connected to multiple sensors via a PCB, all within a 3D printed casing. The casing itself will be made out of a sustainable plastic that will hold the PCB and battery in place, while allowing the device to stay cool using vents.
Here we have the lux sensor. As you can see, it takes in values. When covering it up, light reduces, and when removed, light increases.
This is our sound meter. It allows us to measure sound. So as you can see me talking, it actually increases in volume there. And if you would,
KlassM8, KlassM8.
Here we have our temperature, humidity, and pressure sensor, as well as gas. That includes small particles and large particles, CO2. As we test on it here, essentially we're just going to be increasing our temperature and humidity, which we'll show through here. And you'll see in a little bit, after some time, there's an increase. Past this, we have our CO2, so this is currently what it's reading at the moment inside the hand, and it clears up. Now right here we're just going to blow on it, and as you can see, it increases. Here we have our particle sensor. This senses dust and other particles. Right now we just are shaking a dusty cloth over the top, and you can see the values slightly increased. It is a very hard thing to increase though. Here we have the mold risk. Essentially using some of the calculations from before, it calculates the chance of mold. We'll hold it over here and we'll see it increase. There we go. Now, a lot of this data has been CSV logged onto the Kookaberry, so right here we'll demonstrate where it's logging. We can follow, we can look at the time, that's equivalent to when we were recording, pretty much the same. And we go down, we can see some of the values, especially some of those larger values when we were blowing on it. Here we have the MQTT. So this is the connection process. It goes from blue to green, which means it's Wi-Fi connected and connected to the computer. From here, I'm going to speed it up, and you'll see all the values coming through, which is essentially connecting via Wi-Fi, sending to a broker, which is the MQTT Explorer, and you can see those values as the temperature increases. Thanks for watching.